Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist worldwide.
No other agent can serve you better now.
Welcome to 4848 East Lake Road on beautiful CONESUS Lake.
This is a spectacular architect-designed lake-level waterfront property with million-dollar views.
Hi, I'm Rich Testa.
And I'm Rob Testa. Let's take a tour.
Welcome your family and friends with a beautiful covered entry with immediate lake views.
This is what the lake lifestyle is all about. With a highly desirable open floor plan featuring a great room with a showcase cherry kitchen with stainless steel appliances, a walk-in pantry, quartz countertops, and an expansive center island breakfast bar. Open to the living and dining area with gorgeous heated maintenance-free flooring and a wall of windows with deck access and panoramic lake views. Just stunning! The first floor also features a spacious foyer with custom moldings, a storage room, a convenient office, powder room, and expansive laundry room. The space is amazing.
The excitement continues upstairs with a spacious landing area, 4 spacious bedrooms, a bath, plus this amazing and spacious owner's suite, which has a beautiful bath, walk-in closet, and a sliding glass door to access an elevated covered porch and those panoramic lake views. The quality craftsmanship of this newer contemporary home is evident in all the details.
This is a premium lake-level lot, perfect for all your friends and family to gather making lifelong memories on the lake. With a waterfront covered porch overlooking the sprawling yard and concrete break wall extending the approximate 72 feet of frontage, with a private stone beach on a point, the perfect spot on the lake.
You could have it all with this CONESUS Lake Dream Home. Nearby is the charming north end of CONESUS Lake with great restaurants and shops. Nearby is SUNY Geneseo, a great college, and Letchworth State Park, the Grand Canyon of the East.
Could you imagine living here? It would be amazing. Well, I hope you enjoyed the tour of 4848 East Lake Road on gorgeous CONESUS Lake.
This is one of the many special properties offered by Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist worldwide. Cheers to living here.